to find all the history of errors and other things that like updates and more things like startups that Windows made into a simple, fast and effective way. So how to explore how a computer has been used basically. So before, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your start menu just like this and type right here run. Click on it. It's gonna open this tab right here, and you're gonna type this command: perform space / rel, so real, okay, just like this. Click on OK. Wait while the Windows loads. It can take more time, and if you click, you can see some critical event, some other critical event, some warning, the startups. And you can explore every single part of your computer, how it has been used, how many, in 2 days, in 2 weeks, that you can explore. You can save the reliability history or view all problems report, just like this, okay? Simple, easy, and effective, and it's on a very useful thing to do, okay? You can view technical details of the reports as well, in the case that you want, and explore some issue that is happening on the computer just like you wish. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.